Now? Rain, rain, go away.
Go ahead,
Did you
start.
learn at school?
Start again as you learned it at school.
Rain, rain, go away. Uncle John likes to play.
That's the way you sing it. How's it supposed to be?
Rain, rain, go away. Winter time likes to play.
And how's your version go?
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Big and Bella likes to play. Can I watch those 2 videos?
I was hoping to get it a bit clearer before that.
Daddy, can I see it?
Okay, sing it one more time. Sing it the way you sing it. Instead of Little Johnny, how do you sing it?
Isabel.
Or,
Uncle John.
yeah, go ahead, sing that.
Rain, rain, go away. Big others, big, 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 like this big. Uncle John wants to play.
Good one.
Uncle John. That's funny.
That's funny.
I
Does he
want
like to
to
play?
do this. It's really messed up.